Hello. Today I try to describe how to manage CS card admin panel. Last video I was describe order, product, customer, and vendor related all options. Today I try to some settings in CS card. Also I was describe theme and layout sections, but today try to some others options. First I go to menu section, and here you can see and design menu sections, menu and product tabs. A menu here you can see some listed of menus. You can also add menu and also add links for this menu. Here have in Viva shop also create some menus links. You can see you can see here I try to go in menu manage section, manage item sections. In these sections you can see some links on sale, item, and other section. You can add links or items here, then save. But in this menu showing I have a Viva shop main menu. It's showing like here, like this. You can see if you want to remove or something you can do here like this. I try to edit this one menu. Here you can see page link. This is page link. If you want to another links add, must you require to add page link like this way. And also icon, if require I want to icon, then for icon font or custom font can add and set icon here like this, and showing in font. This one menu name is marketplace block. Here you can see marketplace block in this logo icons here also. Okay, this is the menu section I can see, and then you can make menu and update, edit, etc. Okay, the product tab section. In this section you can see description, feature, filter, and some others option. Can add more options also. This one show mainly in product description panel. You can see I go to on products and font user section. Here you can see features, admin block, this is product tab section listed here. Also I can add here if this option block in from get from product single product, then will show in product list section. Okay. Then in setting, first menu is general. In this section you can see some settings, only settings. You can enable or disable what's you required or not. Appearance also same English, and if you SEO section some other language, then also can settings from here. Set order per page, how much order showing per page like this. Product page, how much product showing, Elementor per page. Here you can setting, just setting, you can add default language, your backend or backend default language, front-end default language, English I have added. But if you want to another language, just set here and save. Same if you want to backend another language, then setting set Danish and save, then backend also change this language section. This here also have some other settings. You can see, and if you require, then update. Okay, next menus is company. here you can see listed menu. Also here you can see same listed, also left side also. Okay, this is a company. I have also company section. I have updated name. This is company name, local shopper, and other city, phone number, and other options. Phone number and other options. Okay, next options and checkout. Here also you can see some checkout related options, something like this. If you require something update or modify, you can do from this place. Default phone number, this one. If you went to default country, then I have changed Denmark. The default country Denmark. Default phone number, I have added default phone number type in location section. Default phone number updated. Default zip code, you can update zip code, default zip code. Update address also here, default address. Sorry, this one address. Okay, city, and save. Same like the next menus, emails. Here you can setting SMPT emails. You know, SMPT means here I have select now PHP mail function. It's something what type of type you want to send email, admin or user. I have set now PHP mail. If you want to SMPT, then you need to set SMPT host, user and password information as like. Okay, thumbnail. This section is very important for the products. You know how my size showing you the products in font like this. Here in the product list, like with 239 pixel. This is a pixel. 239 is a pixel. When listed products in font, it's showing 239 pixels, width and height both. 239 pixel your image size, you can see here. But if you require, then you can update from this section, all image section here, category and others section. Sitemap. Here I have settings. Sitemap for show sitemap. If you show category, then set sitemap, then will show category also in sitemap sections. Vendors. Here some settings for vendors. If you want this is for admin can manage how this vendor show. If you admin when to show vendor products in display section, then will show this this checked. And others also allow vendor can edit their layout. If you set, then admin can allow edit their layout. Also here have some option, apply account. You can see some options. If you admin two step in verification, also this can add. Here you can see vendor also per page how much product can show. This is the settings of the vendor. Admin can do it. If required, then you can update from here. Update center, it's just for update. If required the CS card update, then we'll show update from here. Just required to add FTP information, then other section I will show how. Here required to show add license number and FTP information for update next time. Security setting. Here also some settings, this reports and logging. You can see logging, setting some options, create, delete, how can manage this one. If you record, you can update or keep default settings. Okay, I have described the settings, menus almost, and design layout, and this one I was describe some previous menus. Okay, now I go to administrative menu sections. In storefront section, you can see your store. If you require a lot of stores, multi stores in same CS card section, like you want to add another domain, another lot of shops in admin section, then you can add here. This is a required when multi-store for your for admin, like this one shop using this domain. If you have another domain but you are not required, you can implement here, but not required another CS card install by another admin manage from zero. You can add here for multi-store. This is called multi-store, and use another more domain listed here, and another domain can use another design theme, another blog, but all shop can be able to manage from one admin sections. I think you get how what is a multi-store and storefront. Okay, here only one shops and one only domain, so we listed, you can see one listed. If you get more domain or more shops, then you can add here. Okay, payment method. This section, payment method, you can add more payment method, like here have credit card and phone ordering. But if you require money order and other section, also can add more payment method here. If required custom payment method, also can add add-ons menu. I will see relate how manage add-ons. Okay. Shipping also same, you can add your shipping options, what type of shippings. This also admin vendor also add their shippings. Admin can active or disable this one, but here also showing vendor section. Vendors add this one. If you want to active or deactive, disable from here. This only show this vendor section, this shipping options. Okay, store and pickup point. This is your store and pickup points. You can add more options. Pickup point like this. Add pickup point where your pickup name, which vendor going to pick up this position, and others phone number, place of pickup point, where you going to add these sections. Pick up your products. Okay, status. This is order status. You can see I was let you how you manage order and change order status like this. You can see this is order status. Here you have some options. If you want to some options add, like here you want to add processing. Here we want to add processing. Then just show create add processing, add status, add processing, increase and create. Then we'll show in this section, and when order open, and you can set processing this order. Okay, order, this is called order status. This is shipment gift certificate status. You can see here, this is also in admin section will manage profile field. Okay, here you can see something, shipping address, what's required. This is the what's required users. Like this, you go into input field. This is required options. This is required option. If you not required, then disable this one. Like first name, contact information, need first name, last name. Okay, if you require billing information, any others option, then you can set enable or disable. Also, if you require the add, then you add new field. Notification, here you can see vendor notification, administrator notification, customer notification, all notifications set here. Also you can see notification also here. Also you can go notification section here. Okay, currencies. I have added here 4 default currencies. I have also added this one today. You can see this one, edit. You can see set like this, sign, code, name, etc. Also, if you require to add the currency, then just add currency section, then we'll show in this currency section, this one currency section. Okay, text and language, this is also same. If you want to add new language, edit on the side, manage language. Text, you can manage edit text from here. Also, if you require to manage language, add language, then you can do from here. Here default have 2 languages. You can add new 1 language if you want to. Logs means all your works log here. It will show files. You can upload files here. Backup, if you want to backup your shop, then we'll keep backup and restore an old backup. This is you can see here SQL files also have. If you want to upload new one, then you can do. Also upload and optimize database also can do from here, backup and restore. If you require to upload something and create backup, if you create backup, then we'll go, you can see all your admin database tables. You can create a backup here. Okay, this is the store section. Yeah, you can see if you go to CDN settings, then you can here add CDN settings. Then CDN means it comes from other section, your CSS and caching section, other comes from other section. If you record clear cache, if you want to update any options, it's for must require to clear cache, then we'll show in font. If you not clear cache, then you cannot see update in theme, customization or other sections. Same like this is thumbnail generated. Next to the thumbnail, cache clear on other section. Okay, then import export. Here you can see this section. This is the most important part. If you have products, then then you can CSV or XML file can import this place. I will go to import product and go to product section. Here you can see import product. I have create import and set local files upload, and also can server or URL section I can import. This type of need 2 type of files, CSV and XML. The after import, this will show in a product section and sections. Okay, import features, import order. You can import more sections, products, features, order, transaction and subcategory, status, user, users pickup, vendor, and more options you can import. Products, I try to list of show all sections. Products feature you can import here, state, user, pickup, all section you can import here. Export, what type of in import section, if you record what type, you need to select what type of option, what type of data you want to import. Export same like this, what type of data you want to export in your server. Okay, file change directory, it's not important part, but update center, if you send add update center, FTP and others, FTP and update code, license code, then in this section you can see update center and you can update new version. We have already used update version, so you do not need to use update something. But if you have new update comes, then here you will show and we can update. But before, we need to add FTP and license code. Here I will again say license number and FTP information of server, then we can update next time. Okay, this is add-ons. Add-ons means it's the extra program add in CS card sections. You can see add-ons manage CS card and theme premium themes add-ons. Okay, I go to CS card sections. Here you can see list of all add-ons. List of all add-ons showing. Okay, list of all add-ons showing. If you want to add new add-ons, install and upload, then you can see, click here and local and upload files, and you can install and active. Okay, here you can see some features, wish list, vendor options, and also more section of the here. You can, this is CS card add-ons, but if you click here, then you can see both add-ons. Okay, showing listed. This is a theme add-ons. Theme have some settings, license themes, default settings, others features, add themes, then they create some add-ons, and here you can show this. You can active and disable and other section manage from here. Okay, this is the add-on sections. Same here, some features added. This theme developer, we using Viva Shop, and its developer have added some add-ons. We can get if you go these theme sections, and you can see only theme developer.